The coal issue has been going on for a long time now. लोक कितलेच गोंयकाराचेर इश्यू करता की बंद कर तुमकांय तर एमपीटी हितूंतल्यान खूब लागता. तुमचे कितें हेचेर व्यूज आसा?
See, one thing I am very clear that there should be minimum handling of coal at the MPT. By no means it should ever exceed more than 15 million tons. Okay. Now, as far as I am concerned, the Honorable Chief Minister has already made a statement that they will try to reduce even this particular quantity from 15 million tons and reduce it to the bare minimum. One thing is sure, when mining starts and the export of iron ore takes place from the same harbour, that is MPT, the question of handling more than 5 or 6 million tons or 7 million tons of coal will not arise at all. In fact, my personal view is the endeavour of the government should be accept the local industry who need coal, which there are very few, and a few surrounding industry which is very close, should not exceed more than 3-4 million tons. Having said that, the rest of the capacity of the Mormugao Fortress or the port, which is a natural harbour which has got a good draft, everything, should be utilized for other commodities. That is import and export of various commodities which can cater to the hinterland. Coal it should be a big no. Coal खंयचे परिस्थितीन वाडोवपा जायना आहात तेज्या परस. आनी प्लीज ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड, एक समज आमकां आसपा जाय, कोला कोणें परवानगी दिल्ली? चीफ मिनिस्टर अगेन इज ऑन रेकॉर्ड and it is a matter of written record. Even when the code of conduct was there in force during the last election, the Congress government at that point of time gave permission and again gave a permission a second time for enhancing the limit of coal that is to be handled at Mormugao Fortress. I will say, even in the existing limit, they should do something like the installation of the dome system as has been done in Jaigarh. In Jaigarh, where they have handling coal, a similar protest was there by a villager. They installed something like a huge round dome, and whatever comes, it is handled in that itself. So there is no question of any ash flying, there is no question of any pollution, and they have realized what used to fly away as fly ash is today a commodity which they are able to save and utilize that quantum of coal and send it onwards. So they have gained in the long run. Similar thinking should be there. Other government of Goa should give permission to install more pollution control measures, even if it is 4 or 5 million tons.
But do you feel that whatever Goans are demanding is they are genuine? Because they have been time and again saying, say no to coal.
See, one thing I will tell you. When election time comes, okay, एक मुंडी आहा, मेंढरो आहा, तो सुद्धा वाग जाता. आणि opposition कॅपिटलायज करता लोकांची मनां भडकावपाक. लोकां ब्लेम करना, लोकांची कांय मिस्टेक ना. लोकां पडला कोल हँडल जाल्यार आमची वाट लागतली, आमचें पोल्युशन जातलें, आमी तें ब्रीथ करतले, आमी सांस घेत आसतना कोल आमकां एफेक्ट जातलो. आनी आमी पळयलां मुरमुगांव कितलो कोल एफेक्ट जाता लोकांक. ओदी बरें कोल हँडलूच करना जावपाक, ओन्ली गोंयचे जे इंडस्ट्री आहा तांकां थोडीशी क्वॉन्टिटी जाली ती हाडपाची, आनी तीच कॅपॅसिटी, तोच पोर्ट यूज करपा जाता दुसरे कमोडिटी खातीर. आनी तशें केल्यार म्हाका दिसता कोणाचे प्रॉब्लेम आसपाना.
You have been a power minister earlier, and you know about power, a lot of things. As far as this Mole issue is concerned, the people also are concerned about this. Power म्हणटानी हे ते कोलाकूच लागतले म्हणटा. तुमचें कितें विचार?
म्हजें म्हणणें अशें आहा, हांव पावर मिनिस्टर आहा तेन्ना म्हाका याद जाता, ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी आमचे आदले प्रधानमंत्री, तेणे आमकां एक फ्री गिफ्ट म्हूण दिल्लो गोंयांत. 450 कोट्यांचो गिफ्ट, म्हणजे 400 kV लायन प्लस द एसोसिएटेड सबस्टेशन वीच इज रिक्वायर्ड, जे टीव्ही येयला. हे लायन बसयता फ्रॉम कोल्हापूर कराड टू गोवा. कितलींची वर्सां लागली तितून म्हणल्यार हांव पावर मिनिस्टर नासलो, पूण सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कुमार मंगलम जेन्ना पॉवर मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी आसले तेन्ना हें हांवें हाडलेलें ना. आज कितें स्थिती गोंयची पावरा लागून आसपाची कोणा अनुभवूच ना. सारकी वर्स्ट जावपाची. ही डेडिकेटेड लायन. पयले ते महाराष्ट्रात कितले कडेन टॅपिंग जावन कितले फाटी पावर वयतालो. आज सादारण ते दृश्टीन आमी बरे आहा. पूण हें मुट्टा मुट्टा एवरी इयर पावर डिमांड इन्क्रीज जायत रावता. जसो डेव्हलपमेंट जाता पावर रिक्वायरमेंट चडत रावता. आनी पावर रिक्वायरमेंट चडलो जाल्यार आमकां आनिकूय लायन जाय, आमकां आनिकूय सबस्टेशन जाय घालपाक. आनी असल्यो डेडिकेटेड लायन गोंयचे खातीर जेन्ना सेंटर आमकां दिता पावर हाडपाक, आमचे सगळ्यांचे कर्तव्य जावन आसा कॉपरेट जावपाक. आतां कितें, पयलीं म्हणणी आसली की 1 लाख झाडां कापता, 1.5 लाख झाडां कापता अशें लोकांची म्हणणी आसली. आनी मागीर तो येयले की 50,000 झाडां कापता म्हणून. आतां जी लेटस्ट एस्टिमेट केला, नॉट मोर देन 10,000 ट्रीज ऑर मॅक्सिमम थोडे म्हणटा 15,000 झाडां ती कापता. 10 व 15,000 झाडां तरी कापली जाल्यार डबल द क्वॉन्टिटी रोवपा जाता. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, again, as per reply given by Power Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister and our government, फक्त 7 टावर येता. टावर ते बांदता ते म्हणटा ते पोल्स म्हणल्यार टावर लायन्स. हे 7 सेन्सिटीव एरियासून वयता. ते एवॉयड करपाक गेल्यार बरोचसो लॉंग रूट घेवपा पडटलो आनी पावर आमकां मेळचोच ना. जो शटडावन आमचे नेबरींग स्टेटांत आसा, तो कर्नाटका जावं दी, महाराष्ट्रांत जावं दी, डेली 4-4, 5-5 वरां जो पावर नासतना लोक गुजारता, ते आमकां येयल्ले जाय जाल्यार ते बंद करा. म्हाका म्हाजी कांय म्हणणें ना. आमी मागीर यूज जावया कॅप्टीव पावर ऑर हे UPS घालून लोक यूज तुमकां करपाची, तरी लोकांक ती संवय घालपाची आहा जाल्यार आमी पावर लायन आनी नवीन मागया नाका. आमी आमचे भाग्य जावन आहा हांव समजता. NTPC power, which is the cheapest power available if you try to generate. We have seen what happened when an independent power producer, first Reliance and then BSES, when they produce 40 megawatts in Sangwal, rate was almost 10 times. आनी हे भाशेन तरी आमकां जाल्ले जाय जाल्यार आमी प्रोटेस्ट लागू दवरपाचे आनी कांयच नाका म्हणपाचें, डेव्हलपमेंट नाका म्हणपाचें. ही स्थिती आमची येतली अशें जावपाक जायना. लोकांनी समजुणी घेवपाक जाय. आतां कोल नाका, 100% आय एम विथ द पीपल. एट एनी कॉस्ट आय विल स्टॉप द ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ऑफ कोल ऑर coal, Murmungaon harbour being utilized as a coal hub. Question does not arise. I will be the first fellow to come on the road. But other than that, आमचे विकासा खातीर, गोंय सुदारपा खातीर, डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर कितें जाय तें जाय. हें लोकांनी मातशें समजून घेवपा जाय. आनी म्हाजी विनंती लोकां कडेन अशें समजून घेया, कोण गोंय हिंगा पाड घालपा येवना. खास करून हो सरकार आमकां डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर ही पावलां मारची पडटा.
Sir, one more thing is that time and again your government and your ministers have been saying की काँग्रेसान हाडला, काँग्रेसान जरी तर हाडले जाल्यार तुमच्या मदें गोंयकार म्हणटा की तुमी बंद करा. तुमी कित्याक बंद करा?
एक समजुणी घे. जस्ट एज गव्हर्नन्स इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस. when certain projects are envisaged and they are national projects, you cannot stop them halfway. आता 370 kilometers of broad gauging, 300 kilometer complete झाला. आमी गोंयकारूच दुसरे भाशेन आमी कितें फॉरेन कंट्री, वी आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. ओन्ली 70 किलोमिटर आमी करपाक दिना. आनी तुमी म्हणटा काँग्रेसीन तरी परवानगी दिल्ली, तुमी बंद करा. हाऊ कॅन यू स्टॉप हाफवे? दॅट मीन्स नो डिसिजन विल बी कंटिन्युअस. गव्हर्नन्स विल बिकम अ डिसकंटिन्युइंग प्रोसेस instead of being a continuous process. फाल्यां ते पावरा येतले. What we have done, they will end, if they undo the entire thing, then no development of any sort will take place anywhere. One should understand this. दुसरे, ब्रॉड गेज गोंया वेलकम करपा खातीर हांवें स्वताचें स्टेटमेंट पळयलां पार्लिमेंटान. हांवें स्वताचें युनियन बजेट तेन्ना प्रेजेंट केल्लें तेन्ना आमचे खासदार आसूं दी, आतां काँग्रेसीचे आसा ते, बाकीचे मुखेलमंत्री तेन्नाचे आसूं दी आनी मिनिस्टर आसूं दी, वेलकम केल्लें that for the first time central governmentan गोंयचेर चिंतलें आनी आमकां ब्रॉड गेज दिली म्हूण. आनी आतां सडनली तुमी मिस्तुरात करून पोल आणि ते घालता आणि तेही काडे पितायता हे सारखे न्हू.
Sir, as a transport minister, how would you see that when you talk about coal transportation and all, that maximum, minimum, whatever is required to take care of this?
No, as a transport minister, I am saying coal where handling of coal, whether you take it by the wagons or whether you take it by trucks, moment you don't cross the limit of 5 million tons or at currently permitted level of 10 to the maximum of 15 million tons, nobody had a problem till then. When there were reports that they want to make it 130 million, then definitely everybody will rise in arms. That is what is happening. And social media has further fueled the process. And I welcome the vigilant, I congratulate the vigilant citizens of Goa for bringing it to the notice of the government. Today, the people get a government they deserve. We have to hear the voice of the people, and that is exactly what we are doing. And that's why Chief Minister made a air dash to Delhi, appraised the central ministers, and central ministers also are going to come here and announce the policy decision of no coal other than a certain limit. So that shows the sincerity of the government.
So, any decision on when can be ZP elections?
As I said earlier, ZP elections, the file is moving. It is before the election commission. We have suggested end of the month. So let's see what is their opinion. Accordingly, we will be deciding.
ZP election at the end of this month.
End of this month or early December.
Early December.
Yeah.
Anything as far as even earlier you said notification काढलं म्हणून ग्राम सभास त्याचे notification काढला by 15th of November म्हटलेलं तुम्ही पंचायत can have their gram sabhas after that.
See, there is no bar. We have already told all panchayats that there is no bar in you holding gram sabha. But as you know, the COVID situation is just easy. 15th, we thought it will ease. It looks like it has eased. Let's wait for a week and then we'll issue an official circular.
As far as new motor vehicles, January will be implementation or further
No.
it can be?
No, we cannot postpone it any further. Implementation of the new Motor Vehicle Act will come from 1st January. As well as I am in discussion with various stakeholders in the taxi business. High Court has given an order that the meters should be fixed by October. Now I asked the Honorable AG to go to the High Court and say that we will be implementing from 1st January. Because of COVID, all sorts of difficulties were there. So, meters are going to be fixed in taxis from 1st of January.
Okay, but when you say implementation of new motor vehicles that's from 1st of January, what about the pathetic conditions of roads? Roads are na kite na.
See,
How people can be blamed for
I
that?
would have specifically, both have no connection whatsoever, and I would have specifically answered you. But I think it would be in the fitness of things you ask the roads minister, who is the PWD minister.
No, but finally it is a concern connected with the government only, no, so you are
It is a collective responsibility, and because it is a collective responsibility, I have gone out of the way to delay the implementation of the new Motor Vehicles Act up till January 1st, 2021. I cannot say more than this.
No, but if anything happens, who is responsible? The concerned PWD minister, who? Because on the road, if number of accidents because of the pathetic condition of roads, so anything.
Monsoons are just over. Post monsoons, when hot mixing is done, you will see a altogether different situation, and then you will talk differently.
सर पण पहिल्या त्याने फाटल्या दिसांनी 9 दिसांनी सांगलेलं आज 15 दिवस झाले.
I don't want to comment on what others say.